everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first bus stop on my channel, my name is Fumi Desalu-vold. I am a wife, I'm a mother, and I am also a makeup addict. Welcome to a fresh new episode, and darlings, guess what? I have a surprise for you. Yes, darling, JUVIA'S place has come out with yet another palette. Yes, some goodies. So let us open it together, shall we? Darlings, if you hear any background noise, we've been going through technical issues, not in our studio, but outside. There's construction, there's rain, it's London. What can I tell you? And my darling, beautiful Adrian is sleeping. So I've got all of these challenges, but I said today I must film, and so here we are with our JUVIA'S place PR package, the most beautiful, sunny, happiest color I ever get from the postman. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Let us open, and we have a flush of pink, another great color. Are you guys loving the hair? It's a wig actually. I just thought let me switch it up, and then I've got, like, you know, the glam clasps and everything, because this is a glam channel. Okay, Hoola, come on. Wow, what do we have here? We have the Nubian palette Coral 3. Let us open it, shall we? Ta-da! Here we are. So excited. Open it up. And you know what, JUVIA'S place, you are right on the money, because Hoola, what were we talking about today? The Patone color for 2019 is coral. So what do we have? We've got grays, we've got corals, we've got peaches, we've got chocolate browns, we've got shimmers. As far as I can see like 6 shimmers there and 6 mattes. It is a cruelty-free product, designed and formulated in the USA, eyeshadow palette that has the 24 months shelf life. I do like that, because a lot of palettes last for like a year. This one lasts for 2 years. JUVIA'S place LLC, distributed in the United States, New Jersey. Well, I don't mind. Let us look at the packaging. Always a dream. JUVIA'S place never disappoints. The color is coral. It is absolutely gorgeous. They never disappoint. This is the packaging. It's also on the palette, which I absolutely love. Coral it is, and then you've got the queen right there, and when you turn around, you've also got that beautiful ethnic African print. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm going to come back into focus, and I'm going to read behind the packaging, because I'm sure it has a little history here. And yes, it does. The Nubian 3 Coral palette by JUVIA'S place was inspired by an African empire in old Egypt, headed by the beauty icon Nefertiti. She was famously endowed with strength and spirituality. Consists of 12 beautiful eyeshadow colors. That's it. Yes, darlings. So as you can see, I have already tried out the palette, but let us do a little bit of a review first. I'm going to fade out, and you're going to see swatches of this beautiful palette. I just took my finger and I just swatched right down, because I wanted you guys to have the true pigmentation of this palette. JUVIA'S is known for their pigmentation, but I just wanted just to swatch, and for you guys just to see it in the raw. Basically, this one is adorable because it doesn't have any names, so you just see the colors for what it is. And what is jumping out at me right now are the grays. Beautiful. There's nothing better than having a gorgeous gray eye as opposed to like a black eye, and grays are great because you can smoke it out and it looks flawless. And it's a beautiful palette that you can use during the springtime, you can use it summertime, because coral is a happy color. When I think of coral, I think yellow, I think orange, I think bananas, I think fruit, I think salads, I think healthy, you know, and I think fun. And I am of African descent, and the coral beading, we wear it constantly when we're having weddings. So it's a palette of celebration. Can I dare say that? Yeah, I would obviously say that. Oh, dare I not forget my discount code FUMI. The palette retails for $20, but of course when you use my discount code at checkout, you know you're going to get it for so much more less. So you can buy it for your mom, you can buy it for your sister, because Mother's Day is right around the corner. So this is a great idea for you guys to give out. Oh my god, what can I tell you? JUVIA'S Place, they are true to who they are. They are very budget friendly and you get quality. I am a deep toned skinned sister in the darkest spectrum of all makeup ranges. Either I'm the darkest or the one just in front of. So I appreciate a brand that really comes out with beautiful colors and pure pigmentation for my complexion, that doesn't come off looking ashy, looking gray, looking green. I'm not gray, I'm not green, I'm honey, I'm golden, I'm all of those wonderful things, and JUVIA'S Place really does that for me. So right across the spectrum, if you know that you're deep skin toned like my very self, this is something that you have to consider seriously, especially when you've got a discount code behind it as well. All right, enough chit chat. Let us go into the makeup tutorial, and then after that we are going to find out if I think that this is F.D.V approved. See you soon.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In a millisecond, then it all came back, when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. And there's no place I'd rather be here in this world, cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In a millisecond, then it all came back, when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, my feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right, my one and only one. 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 I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What else could I do? In a millisecond, then it all came back, when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. And I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. And I thought I didn't care, I just saw
Do we love, darlings? Do we love? I was inspired by Nefertiti. I was inspired by queenship. I was inspired by camp, because the Met Gala was just a few days ago, and it's over the top and it's glamorous and it's extra, and that's what I felt in this palette. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, you can play it down and use one shade, two shades, a little spot in the tear duct, in the brow bone. You can use it any which way, and as you can see, I use like a lovely chocolate lip, also from JUVIA'S place. I always do that. I always use all of their products if I have it for that brand. So I just wanted you guys to have a full look. What do I think of this palette? Hoola?
Is it F.D.V?
It is F.D.V. It is F.D.V. Of course it's F.D.V. approved. It's JUVIA'S place. It's one of the very few makeup brands out there for deep skin sisters. And when I say that, of course, my Caucasian sisters, everybody, you have the Asian, you have everybody. But for the first time in a very long time, we girls are inclusive, and that's a huge, 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 huge yes for me. So yes, JUVIA'S place, congratulations. I love it. It's so compact. It is so carry-on bag friendly. Put it in your bag and you're good to go. And of course, always think outside the box, my loves, because you can use it on your lip, you can use it on your cheekbones, like I always do. And this look is not going to be the only one. I'm going to do another look for you guys. So all of my love, Hoola, say goodbye. Goodbye, darlings. Mwah. Bye.